Hey everyone, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home of incredibly easy to use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to show you a powerful solution that makes it incredibly simple to sort addresses by distance from an address in Excel, right from within your spreadsheet. If you've ever needed to figure out which locations are closest to a given address, this tool will be a complete game changer. Over the years, we've helped more than 7,500 customers simplify tasks like these. They come from all sorts of industries, but the feedback is the same. Our tools save time, reduce stress, and make workflows more efficient. We receive messages every week from people thanking us for how much time our solutions save them. If you'd like an outside opinion, we have over 130 Google reviews, most of which are 5-star ratings, from users who've seen firsthand how our tools can transform their day-to-day routines. Let's talk about the specific problem we're solving here. Suppose you have a target address, or just a zip code, and you want to see which other addresses fall within a certain distance of that location. For example, let's say your target zip code is 33030 in Miami, Florida, and you'd like to find out which service providers or offices are within 35 miles. On one tab, maybe you call it Contractors. You have a list of providers along with their addresses. You can label them however you want, Contractor 1, Contractor 2, and so forth. All you have to do is enter the customer's address or zip code, set your desired range, in our example, 35 miles, and click Calculate. The tool instantly works out which contractors are the closest, helping you assign them to the job without any guesswork. You'll get both straight line, or as the crow flies, and driving distances. That way you can choose whichever metric best suits your needs. Plus, there's no limit to how many clients or addresses you can process. This makes it super easy to sort all your addresses by distance and quickly see who can reach your customers the fastest. If you think this could help you out, there's a link in the description to download the tool. Should you need something more tailored, maybe an extra feature or two, don't hesitate to reach out. Our phone number and email are linked in the description and displayed on the screen. We also have live chat on our website if you'd like to talk directly. No bots, no automated messages, just real people ready to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Until next time, happy calculating.